Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm a little bit confused about the blue. I'm thinking maybe this is just a vector pattern and this is the cutout. And he wants to cut this out and have the two pieces be tight. So there's a lot of problems with this drawing. I'm going to fill it in with the Smart Fill tool. And you see we got a couple of leakers. So there's several ways to fix that. If we select it all and go up to Object, Group, and ungroup it all, and move this line. I wouldn't move it by hand. I would nudge it like 0.125. That way you get a perpendicular nudge, and see we're just nudging it out. Get over to the other side, which I know is the exact same thing, and just nudge that out. Now we can use the Smart Fill tool, and voila, we have the pieces out. There are a lot of broken nodes in this. If we select it all and grab it with the Shape tool, look at all the broken nodes. Now we could fix that, but we don't have to because the Smart Fill tool did that. But we're gonna have the same problem down here. There's a lot of broken nodes, like these corners. They're gonna leak most likely. So we wanna select it all with the Pick tool first. Select it with the Pick tool, and then hit it with the Shape tool and select all your nodes. I closed that Docker I shouldn't have. Docker, join curves, and now you're ready to go. It should not leak, and it didn't. Don't really have to use the Smart Fill, but we are. We can delete that. Take these both and left click, right click. Now we're going to take the male pieces and we're going to open up the Effects Docker contour, and we're going to contour to the outside 0.003 in red to the outside with square corners. It just barely, all it's going to do is take up the laser curve. Now, because we can go up to Effect or go to Object and break the contour apart, we can actually grab the red one, excuse me, or the black one, which is the smaller one. I would keep it for further reference, and I would make a duplicate of this in case your test cuts don't work. You could go back to these two files. Now, because they're that 0.003 contour, they should fit like a glove. And if you can kind of see that the red is just a little bit bigger than the black. So it should fit like a glove. Now, instead of taking a piece of wood and wasting it in case it doesn't work, which is almost 12 by 12, my suggestion is always, let's just take a rectangle and let's fill this in with black and this in with black. And then you can move that black over and that black over, take both of them, left click, right click, make sure they're a hairline. And you'd want to make sure these are a hairline, and they're not. For some reason, he doesn't draw in hairlines. Even that's not even a hairline. Now take away your rectangle, and then take these two cuts out and cut them out. You could kind of nest them together. You don't want to cut them out totally together because then the laser would burn that curve twice. But in a 3 by 3 piece versus a 12 by 12 piece wasted. And then if that's too tight, back it off. It's not going to be too tight, I almost think. It might be too loose still. Then you can take this back and contour at 0.004. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.